What's that? Huh? I think it lost me. Hide in here.
What did I do?
I think I'm good.
What am I doing wrong?
Oh, hi, Crafty.
Hi.
Oh, you're a monster of this one that time.
Oh, yeah.
Come on in here with me.
What?
What's in here with me then?
Oh, hi, Creator. Hi. Oh, well, you're not my creators.
Yeah.
DS created me.
I created the channel though.
Yeah.
I think that's enough of this video because it is day now. And cut.